expected kasi ito yung pinakamahal naming dinner ata. So 4 out of 10. Might wanna consider Pink Moon sa dessert kasi masarap siya. The pink one is actually coconut, akala ko strawberry. Pero okay na okay lang. Kasi lasang nasama yung coconut, it's creamy, and hindi ganun katamis. 7 out of 10. Mas nagustuhan ko lang tong kanilang mango, and theirs is not too sweet. Counter din kasi siya ng yogurt na maasim. 8 out of 10. I've been wanting to visit Cafe Maruha for the longest time. And ayan, finally, nakapunta rin. Yung Biscoff latte nila, uy, masarap. You would think na matamis siya, pero sakto lang, nasama yung Biscoff. 7.5 out of 10. Yung smoothie bowl naman sila dito sikat eh. And you would understand. For 100 plus yung bowl, so medyo mahal, pero siksik naman, so 8 out of 10. Dito kami nag-brunch bago kami bumalik ng Manila. Their lattes were actually pretty good. Solid din yung tapa at saka yung daing. I mean, nothing really special sa food. 6 out of 10. And yung dry na cake nila, 4 out of 10. Less sweet na banana peanut shake. In fairness naman, na-enjoy ko pa rin si Jonas. Last part na to ng Boracay Eats Latin Besties. Grabe, 20 plus restaurants yung nakainan namin. Inarrow down natin sila sa ating top 5 restaurants. Abangan nyo besties, Ichoy!